Hi, and welcome back. How do you spend your money? The difference between the rich and the poor isn't just about income level, it's also about how they manage their money. Poor people often think that saving is the best way to become rich, while wealthy people assert that to become rich, you must know how to spend money wisely so that money makes more money. Robert Kiyosaki said it doesn't matter how much money you make, what matters is how much money you keep and how you make money work for you and generate more money. Many people don't understand this simple truth. The poor and middle class work hard for money and then spend everything they have, while the rich make money work hard for them and become increasingly wealthy. Today, Financial Alchemy will help you spend your money more wisely. 1. A reasonable spending plan. Do you have a monthly spending plan? Creating a reasonable spending plan is extremely important. It helps you manage your spending to achieve future financial freedom. You can consider the 50-30-20 rule for spending. This is considered the most basic ratio for you to practice allocating your spending to different categories: 50 for your minimum and basic budget needs, 30% for lifestyle-related expenses, 20 for savings and investments. Use 50% of your income to cover everyday expenses like rent, electricity, water, etc. Use 30% of your income for desired lifestyle expenses like shopping for clothes, phones, going out, watching movies, eating at restaurants, charity, and gifts. Finally, use 20% of your income for important short-term and long-term funds, such as a financial freedom fund, emergency fund, investment fund, debt repayment, etc. After allocating your income with the above ratio, review your expenses and income sources for an overview. Keep receipts and record daily expenses in a spending notebook. The highest spending category of the month, or any category you consider unusually high, could be a suitable target for reduction. A crucial point is to ensure that your spending is less than your monthly income. A smart spending plan always includes saving. If you don't spend all your basic expenses, add the remaining amount to your financial freedom savings fund. The secret is to save as much as possible for future investments, accumulating interest and investing in reliable places. Savings are your amplifier. The more you save, the better your financial situation will be. 2. A reasonable shopping plan. Do you have a monthly shopping plan? I know that, for both women and men, the feeling of shopping is so brain-stimulating. So, you can't always control your emotions. Buy 2, get 1 free. 50 off. The result is that you buy a bunch of stuff you won't use all year. Therefore, before going shopping, make a list of the items you need, estimate prices, and consider your budget to choose reasonable prices. Don't go to the supermarket with the mindset of "I'll see if there's anything interesting to buy." Estimate the amount of money you need to bring to avoid carrying too much. Having a lot of money in your pocket will make it difficult to control your shopping urges. It's especially helpful to bring cash instead of credit cards because spending cash feels much more painful than swiping a card. When you swipe a card, an extra 1 or 2 zeros on the bill doesn't feel like much. When shopping, preview online stores, compare prices, and read reviews from previous customers before deciding whether to buy. You should also choose the right time to shop. Going shopping when you're bored and stressed is the silliest thing ever. My own painful experience. 3. Buy only what you truly need, not what you want. Think about it. Do you only regularly use about 20% of the items in your home? The remaining 80% are rarely used. My advice is to only buy what you truly need. For items you rarely use or only use once or twice a year, consider renting or borrowing them if possible. If you're unsure, ask yourself these questions. Is this necessary for me? Will I use it regularly? If I won't use it regularly, can I borrow it from somewhere? If I can't borrow it, can I rent it somewhere? Go through your closet to see what you already have. Sell or donate items you don't wear or that no longer fit to get a clearer picture of your situation. Don't shop just for fun. If you buy for the joy of shopping, you'll definitely buy too many things you don't need, leading to an increasingly severe case of empty wallet syndrome. Using this smart spending method will help you accumulate more money over time. 4. Create a weekly meal plan and shopping list. Are you tired of the constant question, "What's for dinner tonight?" With a busy schedule, it's hard to go to the market or supermarket every day to buy enough food for the whole family. The best way is to make a list of the foods, vegetables, and fruits your family often eats. Create a weekly meal plan chart and post it on the refrigerator door, along with the things you need to buy at the store. This will not only prevent you from impulse buying at the store, but also prevent food waste. Additionally, you'll save a lot of time each day not having to think about what to eat tonight. 5. Pay for expenses with cash, not credit or debit. Cardsies. It might sound counter to modern trends, but you heard right. Although using cards for payment seems civilized, convenient, and stylish, the more convenient it is, the faster your money will disappear. Credit and debit cards can encourage you to spend more than usual. You can spend more money than you have, and of course, that overspending becomes consumer debt. Because there's no real money changing hands, the mind doesn't perceive it as a real transaction. Using credit cards also makes it difficult to realize how much you're spending. Your brain struggles to recognize the huge difference between adding a few zeros to the end of a number. $1,000 is 10 times $100, but it only differs by 1 zero. Don't carry more money than necessary, because if you don't have extra money, you won't have the opportunity to spend it. Finally, withdraw money weekly or monthly according to your pre-calculated budget from an ATM rather than withdrawing whenever you run out. 6. Limit going out to restaurants, bars, and spending on tobacco, alcohol, and coffee. You eat out often? Whether it's a fancy restaurant or a casual one, you always have to pay for the service. Unless your job requires you to eat out, serve yourself at home and occasionally go out for a change of pace each month. Not only will you save a significant amount of money, but you'll also ensure your health and food safety. You don't want to know what chemicals might be in restaurant food. 7. Wait for sales and discounts. If you need a product but it's not urgent, wait until there's a sale, or you can find a discount coupon. If you look at a year, there are many sales events like Christmas, New Year's, Black Friday, March 8th, October 20th, National Day, Children's Day, Mid-Autumn Festival, Teacher's Day, grand openings, etc. Note, only use coupons or take advantage of sales for products you truly need or had already decided to buy before the sale. The allure of discounts can lead customers to buy things they don't actually need. Another tip is to buy products during the off-season. For example, a jacket you like might be 40-50 cheaper if you buy it at the beginning of summer when the store is having a sale. 8. Don't believe advertisements and salespeople. Don't buy an item just because it's advertised on TV every day. Be skeptical of advertisements. They're designed to encourage you to shop without providing a complete overview of your options. Salespeople in stores and supermarkets want you to buy as much as possible. So, it's best to trust your own eyes and needs, not their words. If you feel something isn't right, be aware of pricing tricks. Understand that $199 is essentially $200, not $100. If you need to learn more, politely listen to their advice, but ignore all purchase-related advice and make your own decision. 9. Don't hesitate to buy insurance for unexpected situations. Life insurance, health insurance, home insurance, car insurance. Don't forget to spend money on insurance for your health and assets. Illness and accidents can happen anytime without warning or control. Spending money on appropriate insurance policies will help you save on unexpected expenses for healthcare, property damage compensation, or ensuring the well-being of your loved ones if an insured event occurs. 10. Investing in yourself is the smartest way to spend money. That's right. Continuously invest in yourself, especially your mind. Some people might disagree because they think that finishing school is enough, that learning stops there. But in real life, there are many skills you need to master to survive that school doesn't teach you, such as personal finance management skills, communication skills to win people over, etc. Investing in yourself and continuously learning new knowledge will help you discover even more ways to make money, diversifying your income sources. That's the smartest way to spend money to make even more money. Financial Alchemy wishes you smart spending.